Yes, here are so far my Longchamp Pliage Pouch collection, and I do think they deserve a video, so let's go. Hi everyone, welcome back for another video. I'm Bag Passionate, welcome to my channel. For those who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm a French bag collector. I am mainly a Longchamp collector, but I also speak about the various brands, so welcome and please enjoy my video. If you want to subscribe, let's go and do it. It's free and it really helped me. Thanks a lot. So today's video is about my Longchamp Pliage pouches. I've got several of them and I have to say I'm a bit sad. I will explain you. It's kind of funny, but not at all. In fact, I am preparing this video for several days and I am still missing one pouch. Yes, guys, you hear me well. I do not have my full collection. I'm missing a red one and I am quite sad because it's a model which is quite different, so it will be nice that I got it and I present it to you because it did not have the same size, but that's life. I've been searching for it for several days. So guys, don't worry, if one day I find it again in my house, I will do a special video concerning this one. But so far I don't have it, so my apologies. So let's start with the beginning and with this one. As you can tell, I've got 3 models like this one. So what is this model? In fact, it's a quite vintage one. It's not the oldest one because, as I told you, the red one missing is even older. This one are the more classical one, and as you can tell, they got a rectangular form. They have a Russian leather top handle like this. They also have the Longchamp logo in the Russian leather in front of them, and they have nothing more. Of course, they do have the Longchamp logo on the top zipper here. This is gold hardware. And you open them and okay, I'm still using them, guys. So let me make it, because I use them for a bunch of use. As you can tell, I've got feminine product. I also have some notes and so on. I also got, for example, a lipstick and a pen, but they can fit various items. And inside, it's like the pliage, you know, you've got this interior and that sole. I got this one in the lavender color, I've got this one in the khaki color, and I also got this one in this bright neon pink. And seriously, guys, I always thought that Longchamp will keep this model, so I just have 3 of them. And if I have known that Longchamp will stop them and produce, you know, more and different items, I will have bought more of them because I just love them. The size is really perfect. It fits a bunch of my bags. Of course, not my micro bag, but they are really well made and I love the style, guys. I simply love the style. Seriously, I should have bought more. So here they are, and of course, pliage quality. As you can tell, a bit of, yes, of dirt. Yes, look, a bit of dirt, but that's all, and they last. Seriously, they last, and I'm still enjoying them. Then let's move to the actual model. I've got 2 of them. This is blush color, and it's part of the first colors that came in this model, and this model really looks like the pliage bag. and you've got this top handle, and you've got the flap, the extra flap. You've got the little here, like on the pliage bag, and you still have the same principle. You've got the zipper, you've got here this one, and you have one main compartment. As you can tell, I'm still having a bunch of stuff. In this one, I can, because it's bigger, I can fit a tiny notebook, and I've got a bunch of them. And yes, you can fit tissue and so on, and it fits a lot. Seriously, I have done a special review about this one, and you can check on the internet website because it's also a great success. A lot of people also buy, you can find on Amazon and everywhere, additional, yes, I don't know how they called it, but it's additional hook, and you can add a strap on it. Concerning myself, I'm using it as a pouch, and they are quite nice, but you can turn it into a bag if you want. Okay, other people also make holes there, and you've got the strap like this. Well, you can use it like you want. And the second one, I got it not so long ago, and I love it because it's funny, it's cute, but it's a gift from my sales associate. So I can tell you guys, I'm crazy about this one. And it's the same principle. It's a limited edition, Longchamp and Robert Indiana. As you can tell, the design print is the work art of Mr. Indiana. Here you've got the special logo. I have done also a review concerning this one. Everything will be linked below. And I have to say that this one, even if I'm using it as a pouch, seriously, thanks to the design, I also use it in the evening. I just put my credit card, my glass stick, and my phone. I got a tiny phone so it can fit inside. And I went to the restaurant with it because the print design is so chic. I use it as a tiny bag, like this, and it was okay. So this one, I know I can turn it into a little bag, or like this, a little clutch. This one, since the color is one tone, is only blush, I use it really as a pouch. But this one, thanks to the design, yes, a tiny bag. Just to show you the difference between a vintage one, you see the evolution, you see the handle completely change. And that's not all, because I also have my tiny replays. Yes, a Longchamp Pliage replay, not last year, but 2 years ago. They also have done this. Yes, you can call it little bags because it fits even more stuff than this one. You can see the size difference. So really this one, you can turn it easily into bags. You can also, I've made a video about it, you can also add a longer strap and wear it crossbody, but at the very beginning they were called pouches, but they can be turned into little bags. And seriously, I also use it as a bag in the morning when I bring my kid to school, because as I tell you, they can fit a bunch. Just show you the opening. So they are like this. They are the two colors combination. So I've got one green and a kind of bleu canard. How do you say that in English? This color. Do I remember the name? Well, it's a blue. If I remember the name in English, I will write it. And I've got a violet and a turquoise one. And the strap is made with Russian leather. It's pliage. And you have one main compartment, and you've got one flat pocket here. And look, the interior. This is really spacious. And I do hope if one day there's again a pliage replay generation, maybe this year, let's see. I hope they bring back those kind of items, maybe different, but because they are really great. Seriously, they are really great, and I can wear it on my shoulder. It's okay, you see? It's really okay. So here's, okay, just to show you, here so far the 3 model. Again, my apologize, I've got an oversize of this one, but I don't know where it is in my house, but you see the size difference. Which one is my favorite? Can you guess? It's this one. Yes, I know, guys, it may sound crazy because it's the one that fits the less, but this is my ultimate favorite design. I do love this one, but this one is really my ultimate design. I don't know, this is the quintessential of Longchamp, the quintessence, I don't know, la quintessence in French, but I got so many memories because this was produced a lot during many years, and to be honest, it's also the most practical design for a pouch. Sorry guys, these ones are really cute, and I know a bunch of people love them, but these ones without the flap are the more practical. And you know, guys, I'm running after time, so I need to have something really practical. So between these two my heart goes for this one. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Write me in the comment section, do you own Longchamp Pliage pouches? Do you like them like I do like them? Tell me everything, which is the size and the model you prefer. As I just tell you, I've got a slightly preference for the vintage model, and I keep finger crossed they will come back one day because they are just great and super easy to open and close. But guys, tell me everything in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a great day, take care, and we'll see us in the next video. Bye bye guys!